Discover satisfaction redefined. Give Nikkei brings you hypnotic visuals, seamless flows, and a daily escape from stress. Valuable fluid courses like a river as the formidable press extracts every last drop. Rest assured, it leaves absolutely nothing behind. This brute can effortlessly bisect any tool in seconds, and no, that is not an exaggeration. This automated culinary expert slices meat more rapidly than any elite chef and has never requested a break. One stencil, some concrete, and a dash of patience. Boom! You have chic, custom-designed paving where bare earth once lay. A thick pipe yields under pressure like warm clay, mechanics performing what appears to be pure magic. The hands of the craftsman execute the work, but the outcome is a flawless concrete block, impeccably finished and robust. It's fascinating how these impact mechanisms utilize a single perfect strike to transform everyday objects into familiar forms. Engage your mesmerized setting. Machines rotate, press, slice. You won't be able to divert your gaze. Fatigued? Not a chance. Here's another round of visual gratification. Observe, admire, and try not to blink. A diminutive handheld device, yet it swiftly interlinks those rods into chains as if specifically engineered for the task. Metal diminishes layer by layer, leaving behind a perfectly machined component. Shavings cascade like celebratory sparks. This colossal cutter slices through metal as effortlessly as ham, smooth, clean, and gratifying. Undeniably a gourmet machine. Rope materializes before your eyes, twist by twist, loop by loop, a weaving ballet performed by steel digits. The machine completes its function before you've even finished blinking. Not production, pure sorcery. These demolition jaws sever rails like brittle twigs. The operation is so fluid, it's as if the rails surrender willingly. Pine needles and all, this miraculous machine encases a tree in netting in mere seconds, prepared for its journey to a cozy abode. That underseat footrest. It resembles a piece of contemporary art. For the workers, however, it's just another ordinary Tuesday at the workshop. A perfect pairing. The worker positions dough circles and the machine seals them into dumplings, as if it has memorized grandmother's recipe. Painting irregularly shaped objects? You need a tool as precise as a sculptor's brush, and here, the customized equipment achieves perfection. This breaker doesn't merely shatter, it eradicates concrete like a high-powered eraser. The operator's sole task is guidance. Manual wall smoothing? Forget about it. This automated tool renders them impeccable and doesn't even require a coffee break. Wow, that's an absolutely perfect form. You almost wonder how it achieved such flawlessness. It appears to be an ordinary press, yet it generates such imaginative shapes. It seems this machine possesses boundless creativity. A steel cable robust enough to suspend a bridge, and here it is born like a metallic shoelace. That particular twist merits a standing ovation. Some machines are simply captivating. You observe and wonder, precise, synchronized, as if every frame were meticulously storyboarded. This robotic arm functions with such exactitude, you begin to ponder, was it a magician in a previous existence? Every package aligned to perfection. Pulling meters of tight material by hand is exhausting. The right machine makes it fluid. Soft serve ice cream flows into the cone with such exquisite smoothness, you'll desire to observe it indefinitely, and then consume it. A tray of eggs? Zing! The machine seizes them all at once, as if it has its own breakfast agenda. One precise maneuver, and dozens of cans leap into a container as if answering a command from the Colonel of Canning. Labels adhere to cans with ninja-like dexterity, instantly rendering them ready for retail. Juice cartons are arranged with military-grade exactitude. This machine is a perfectionist with a barcode. Left for packaging, right for dispatch. The production line orchestrates this packaging symphony without a single discordant note. Fruit is peeled with a fluidity more graceful than an Olympic routine. It's as though the machine understands the essence of every bite. Tea bags, only premium quality here. Filling, sealing, and tagging, all in one seamless operation. If only all machines were this inspiring. The workers spontaneously begin dancing, and production remains uninterrupted. Witnessing tape or film wind onto a spool is deeply satisfying. The rhythm and accuracy evoke a coiled dance. Rock enters, whoosh, only fragments remain. This machine clearly savors a good crunch. Ambiguous part shape? No difficulty. The machine precisely determines where and how much to bend. No manual intervention required. It operates with such velocity that only slow motion playback offers comprehension. Blink and the enchantment will be gone. Cargo in flight, machine in operation. This is delivery without the need for couriers. Simply keep your eyes wide open. This machine is more than just an aid, it's the centerpiece of the operation, a delight to observe, particularly with a cup of coffee. When a bottling line operates, you feel immersed in a documentary, everything in its precise position, on schedule, industrial hypnotism. Flawless dumplings without manual folding. The machine handles everything. Soon it might even request sour cream. While the operator calmly supervises, the machine glides along rows, planting seedlings at ideal intervals and depths, gently, precisely. If only you had one in your kitchen. This machine separates grain from debris with speed, cleanliness, and no complaints, like a mechanical sieve. When thousands of bottles traverse the line simultaneously, it's not just a factory, it's a mechanical ballet where every bottle executes its cue flawlessly. This massive machine operates with such elegance, you momentarily freeze, then anticipate the culmination of its performance. No explanation is required. Materials move, the machine operates, and the operators conduct like maestros, ensuring everything remains in harmony. Ever wondered how those enormous plastic containers are fabricated? The machine simply inflates into the mold, and boom, a perfect shape in seconds.